Do you want to make your G-Wagon look that much better with one simple little touch? Well, we got that for you. Stay tuned and we can show you how. Hey guys, Dean Soleimani here from Sticker City. As you can see, I got another beautiful G63 behind me. We just finished doing a stealth clear bronze ceramic coating. And one of my favorite things that Mercedes has done, they have these in matte paint already. Obviously the paint is not, this is why we're kind of doing the paint protection film. It chips and scratches. So once you put the paint protection film on, it prevents and protects that aspect of it. But I love Mercedes that they've done the front grille in black, they've done the moldings in black, they've done the wheels in black. So they've kind of understood what the clients have been wanting. The only thing that I hate on this G-Wagon is they did everything on black and then they forgot to do the step stand. Here's where we come in. We got a perfect product for you that would completely change the look of this car with just a few hours. Now check out what we've done for this G-Wagon here. You got everything in black, and this part, the step stand generally pops right in your eye. It just doesn't make sense. All this chrome. And what we've done is added a little guard, little armor guard. So not only are you getting protection on your chrome, but look how good it looks. This thing looks fabulous. Once you see this, it's hard to look at any other G-Wagon the same way. If you have any more questions, give one of our team members a call. Our phone number is 818-905-5678. Again, 818-905-5678. Visit us at stickercity.com and we will see you on the road.